This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Spacious, corner unit located in popular Chicks Beach. Walk or bike to beach. Master bedrooms on first and third floor, 4 bedrooms total. Second floor open floor plan with large great room west fireplace, dining area, kitchen with eat-in area, bar and lots of cabinet space, quick closing. Will get one owner home warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.